Refer to Caterpillar Service Manual Disassembly and Assembly 24 or Motor Grader E9Z00001 UP, machine powered by C27 engine. Removal procedure. Remove hood. Open door 1. Turn battery disconnect switch 2 to the off position. Open door 3. Remove 3 bolts 4. Disconnect cable assemblies 5 and 6 and position out of the way. Disconnect cable assembly 7. Remove 2 nuts 9 and remove bracket 8. Attach suitable lifting device to battery 10. The weight of battery 10 is approximately 54 kilograms, 119 pounds. Remove battery 10. Repeat for battery 11. Remove 3 bolts 12. Disconnect cable assemblies 13 and 15 and position out of the way. Remove cable assembly 14. Remove 2 nuts 16 and remove bracket 17. Attach suitable lifting device to battery 19. The weight of battery 19 is approximately 54 kilograms, 119 pounds. Remove battery 19. Repeat for battery 18. Installation procedure. Install batteries 19, 18, 11, and 10 in the reverse order of removal. Apply tooling to the threads of nuts 9 and 16. Tighten nuts 9 and 16 to a torque of 6.8 plus or minus 1.4 Nm, 60 plus or minus 12 pounds in. Tighten cable assemblies 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, and 15 to a torque of 7 plus or minus 2 Nm, 64 plus or minus 14 pounds in. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching and don't forget subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.